Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, today we'll make a video about LED tail lights. Very important, guys. You can set your car on fire. Watch the video, we'll show you why. We'll show you how to avoid that. We'll show you how not to melt your tail lights like that, okay? And have crystal clear tail lights like that. Something like that is very close to catching your car on fire. Okay, let's go ahead and start on it, guys. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So this is a regular bulb, guys. You can see that's the bulb that's supposed to be in the car. We left it on and it gets hot. I mean, it gets super hot. Barely touching it now, and that's just tail light, that's not a brake light. And you can see it even has melted plastic on it. This is the same LED bulb, ice cold. Both of them have been working the same time. I can touch that one and I don't feel any heat at all. This is just amazing difference. Okay, so what happened? On that Mazda CX-7 they had regular bulbs driving with the lights on all the time. Okay, and let us show you what happened. You can see the bulbs started melting. You can see everything started melting. The whole tail light started melting. Okay, check it out now on the outside. This is smoke and burnt plastic from the bulbs. Okay, that's how bad it is. It's just terrible. And that's what it's supposed to look like. This one is a 2007 with LED bulbs. This one is a 2009. Okay, and now check out what's happening inside now. You can see that's burnt plastic. That's terrible. That can catch your car on fire. So LED bulbs are definitely great, guys. But one thing, some cars will give you an error. You have a message on the dash panel that says that your brake lights do not work. Good thing about it, they sell one with the integrated resistors, so you can find one just for your car. Okay, check this one out now. Okay, this is 1.5 watts right here, the LED bulb. And this one, who knows what this one is. Let me get a good view on this one. 21 watts. So the difference is this uses 10 times less energy than the other one, which in reality will be 10 times cooler than the other one as well, guys. And they look amazing. We'll go ahead, install it and show you now in a second. Okay, just installing this one now. We'll recommend having the lights off when you do that, so you don't burn a fuse or anything like that. Okay, got it there. Okay, let's see what it looks until we put the other one together. Let me turn the light off. Okay, that's just tail light. You can see it looks amazing. Okay, installing the regular bulb on the other side, the one that tends to melt tail lights. And you can see it's still bright, but it's not as bright as the LED and produces a great amount of heat, guys. So I am definitely for LED bulbs. The only thing is, like, if you have a complicated vehicle like a BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, many vehicles nowadays will show you that you have an error if you use a cheap LED bulb. So you need to get one that comes with a resistor. It has a certain amount of resistor that reflects the one on your vehicle, so you know what kind of bulb to put, and you won't have that annoying message on the dash all the time telling you that you have a tail light out or something like that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Many more to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.